Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Miles Morales suits in InVision Web Verse. We will dive into the exciting world of suit acquisition, exploring different ways to expand your collection. You'll learn about specific in-game puzzles and challenges that lead to unlocking these iconic outfits. Get ready to enhance your gameplay by discovering all the available Miles Morales variations. One primary method for acquiring new Miles Morales suits involves solving intricate in-game puzzles. For instance, you can unlock the City Sounds Miles suit by successfully completing boombox puzzles scattered across the map. These often require keen observation and sometimes a bit of musical ear. Remember to explore every corner of the webverse to find all necessary components and solve these engaging challenges. Beyond puzzles, you can also earn Miles Morales suits by engaging in various in-game challenges and even by using secret methods. Many suits are rewards for completing race minigames, testing your web-swinging skills. Additionally, some players have discovered glitches, such as the spot glitch, which can grant access to unique characters or suit variations. Stopping crimes throughout the city also frequently yields suit rewards. To truly maximize your Miles Morales suit collection, staying informed is key. Always check for new game updates, as developers frequently introduce additional suits and unlocking methods. Joining the official InVision Games group can also provide access to exclusive group suits. Furthermore, collaborating with friends can make completing challenging quests much easier, helping you unlock even the most elusive Miles Morales outfits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.